Alright, you guys, so this is my cryptocurrency trading exchange account with BTC, yay! Anyways, so these down here would be my deposits. The BCN is for mining on my computer. Aeon was for mining. And then I bought Bitcoin. Me personally, I have bought about $43, somewhere around there with the fees and all. Maybe about $45 with the fees and all. It's quite a bit of fees, you know. But, so these are currently the coins that I am holding. So I got Aeon I just have fractions of because I couldn't release these things. Bitcoin Cash, I have a fraction of Bitcoin Cash too. I wish I would have sold Bitcoin Cash when it was at its peak. But you know, I was completely new at that time. That was like my first week of crypto trading. I had gotten in the week before the fork because I knew the excitement for the fork was going to get people in here, and boy oh boy was I right. So initially I had put $17 in this account. I grew my $17 to $30. So I deposited $20 more, right? Including the fees, whatever, whatnot. So after depositing them $17, you know, I grew that. I practically doubled that. So I was like, okay, I feel a little more comfortable putting some more money in here. So if I advise anybody, you know, start off with $5. If you turn your $5 into $10, then maybe you know what you're doing. But if you turn your $5 into $2, maybe you need to take a step back a little bit and reevaluate what it is that you're doing. I mean, that's just my honest opinion. You know, I'm not a person, I'd rather just go straight in. Like you see, I'm down $400 in the stock market. I was down $800 in the stock market. And that's just because when I was a little child, I've always wanted to be in the stock market. But that wasn't just something everybody had the privilege of doing. I mean, yeah, if you had a broker. But now we have Robinhood. Now we have free, you know, there's no fees. But besides that, right? So I doubled my money here. So I felt more comfortable. My balance was about $50 yesterday before I went to work. I bought ZRX. I went all in. I sold everything else that I could possibly sell. And I went all in on ZRX with $50. Now, I kept telling everybody all day, I was joking around saying, I'm going to double my money before I leave work. Before I leave work, I'm going to double my money. I did continuously check it throughout the day. You know, I didn't make any moves because that was my plan. I planned on doubling my money. So at work, before we got out, I definitely checked it. You know, I wasn't anywhere spectacular. I believe I was probably down like $1 or $2. Then I got home, didn't even focus on it. My friends were about to leave the house. We were all hanging out. And my phone was dead, so I had it on the charger. I grabbed it off the charger, and I looked at it, right? And I was so surprised to see that not only had my money doubled at that moment, I want to say it was like 125%. So that was up $125. Currently at the moment, I did dip back down to less than $100. Last time I was on here, I was about $111. So currently at $99, it's not a big deal. I'm pretty sure tonight I might double this money. I mean, okay, I'm not going to double it tonight. Theoretically, it possibly could happen. The cryptocurrency market is wild and volatile. And anybody that tells you to stay away just doesn't want you to make any money. That's how I personally feel about it. I mean, somebody's telling you not to do something, but yet alone they've never done it themselves, or maybe they did it and they did it improperly. Doesn't mean there's not a proper way of doing it, and you can make your own money. I don't believe in these people out there getting people to lose money. I'm not down with that. You know, I'm part of many groups out there, and I do see that. I see a lot of people, you know, right here, SNC. I've seen SNC being pumped in the troll box. because that's the thing with the exchange. There's a troll box, so you have people that are chatting in there. You know, they're telling you, they're telling certain people what to buy, and for very influential people, they'll listen to that, and they'll probably put a lot of money, and then they'll end up getting fucked, right? I mean, nobody wants to lose their money. That's not what I'm here for, not at all. So, say we got big hopes for ZRX. Hopefully ZRX can hit about $1, coming very soon, very soon. I'm hoping for that, right? So what else am I holding big time? I need to sell my Bitcoin to US dollars just to have a little chump change, or maybe I'll sell it to Bitcoin, because I sold all my Bitcoin. Look at that, right? I don't have any more Bitcoin, guys, because I put it all in the ZRX and I made my money back. You know, I actually made more money holding ZRX than just waiting the fluctuation of Bitcoin or anything else at the moment. I mean, I had a bet within my group that ZRX was going to make me money faster than CAT or SNC was going to make them money. And, you know, I waited for the dip on SNC. I wasn't getting in when everybody else was getting in. I put a set limit, and it was activated, funny enough, this morning when I was sleeping. So don't ever let anybody tell you that you can't make money or that something's too risky, because risk equals money. If there's no risk, then there's no reward. The reward can't be great. So you guys, I want to turn my initial, man, I think I only put like $40, man. All right, anyways, I'll call it $50. I want to make my initial $50 into $1,000. Let's see how possible that is. I turned it already into $100. Can I turn this $100 into $200 before I lose it all? Let's see how it goes. Anyways, you guys, if you guys like this cryptocurrency video, let me know what you guys think, and I'll keep making stuff. We'll do some more research. I'll add you guys to my group, and we'll all do research together, because as far as I know right now, I haven't seen anything amazing. I've seen a couple of pages on Telegram that I'm on that are phenomenal. Some guys on YouTube that are phenomenal. But there's other stuff out there that you got to be weary about. You know, just make your own decisions. But on that note, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a great green day, and stay green, you guys. Until next time, I shall see you guys. I'm working on posting the videos, right? And I want to show you guys the craziness. So I recorded that earlier on in the day, and currently I am sitting at $132. So from me nearly starting with 40 some odd dollars to, yeah, do you see that? So let's do this together. Let's make some money. Stay green, you guys.